Women's BEPEI Floral 3/4 sleeve shirts with zipper V-neck top specifications, fabric type 5% spandex and 95% polyester. Care guidelines: origin machine wash, type of imported, closure country of origin pull China. Material information: this 3/4 sleeve blouse for women is lightweight, soft and comfortable, won't stick to your skin, making you feel breathable, and is a professional looking and adorable top shirt for you. It is made of 95% polyester and 5% spandex. Features: 3/4 cuffed sleeves, a V-neck, a zip-up closure, a cute fake pocket, floral printing, back pleating, an adjustable front zipper, a line, and feminine details. Women's basic t-shirt, slimming fit. Business casual clothes for office workwear. Ladies formal career top, vintage design 2023. Pullover tunic tops for leggings for women. Juniors, trendy blouses, modern chic style spring, summer, fall, winter wear design. This women's classic floral tunic top is featured with 3/4 rolled up sleeves, which you can make it a half V-neck style, with an adjustable zipper. Keeps the adjustable neckline, gives you a seductive and endearing appearance, and enables you to stand out in a crowd. Please check the detailed product measurement from the final image, or please refer to the size measurement in the product description. Size of bust: M, L, XL, and 2XL. Machine washable, won't shrink after drying. This modest 3/4 sleeve top is appropriate for business day wear as well as everyday casual wear, and can be paired with leggings, tights, jeans, trousers, shorts, or capris. 5% spandex and 95% polyester pull-on style. Machine washable. This professional-looking and fashionable 3/4 sleeve top for women is made of 95% polyester and 5% spandex, is lightweight, soft, and comfortable, won't stick to your skin, and makes you feel breathable. Features: women's striped top with 3/4 cuffed sleeve, V-neck, zip-up, cute fake pocket, back pleated, adjustable front zipper, feminine detail. Business casual clothes for office workwear. Ladies formal career top, fashion and vintage design 2022. Pullover, modern chic style, spring, summer, fall, winter design. This women's striped top is featured with 3/4 rolled up sleeve, which you can make it a half sleeve. The adjustable zipper V-neck keeps the neckline flexible, gives you a seductive and endearing appearance, and enables you to stand out in a crowd. Please check the product description size measurements, or kindly verify the precise product dimensions from the displayed picture. Size of bust: M, L, XL, and 2XL. Machine washable, won't shrink after drying. This modest 3/4 sleeve shirt is appropriate for business and casual daily wear, and can be paired with leggings, tights, jeans, slacks, shorts, or capris.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.